There are 8 of them. I separated them from the chicks today because although preliminary research said they could be together, it just didn't seem like it was going that great. They were kind of picking on the chicks because they're much smaller. This tote felt bigger before I put them in it, so they're not going to stay in here for more than a day or 2 until I can get something bigger for them. So we have 8 Swedish ducks, 4 blue, 4 black, and this is the all flock feed they're on. And wow, we gave this water to them like 5 seconds ago and it's already disgusting. So that's fun. And also they will be on heat. I just set this up for them, so I haven't put it in with them yet. So here's the ducks. This one is my favorite with the funny patterned head. I think it's wicked cute. I like the patterning. Hopefully the patterning doesn't mean it's a drake. But worst case scenario, we can keep one. Alright, you see the cat watching them. He's ridiculous. And then... oh man. Alright, I have 2 more brooders I'll show you. Here's a chicken brooder, the little chickie brooder. It's messy. I never really thought about how much they would poop on everything. The ducks were in this one, so I need to give it a good wipe down. But here we go. We have gold and silver lace Wyandottes, buff Orpingtons, and silky bantams. Yeah, they're all doing good. Let's see if we got any hiding down under the heat plate. Hi, baby. One in there. We've had these guys since Monday? Tuesday? We haven't had them very long anyways. This is a very nice sized tote. So they have plenty of room in here. But I am going to adjust the heat plate. I actually got heat mats instead of these heat plates, so they'll have more room. So I might switch them to that, but they might need a little more time to get older before I do that. We'll see. Alright, and here's the last one. So there are 10 in here now. We had the 8 Brahmas, and yesterday we added in 2 Morans, so the blue one and a black one. So they're right here. And ow! That one in the corner. The other the Brahmas, and they're all within a week. The Brahmas might be just slightly younger than the Moran. And again, birds are disgusting. It's a huge mess in here. But yep, those are our brooders. Messy creatures. Update. So here's Mama Harlow. Her babies are 2 weeks, 6 days today. Hi, Mama. She's still such a great mama. Here's the beautiful nest full of babies. There are 6 in here. Unfortunately, the little blue one developed a bacterial infection and he had to be put down, which was very sad and a first here and not something I really want to dwell on. But we still have 6 beautiful babies in here and lovely Mama Harlow. It's a little chilly out here today, so they're not, they're just napping right now. And then here's little Blossom. This is the cage Nightshade was in before. She's due for a cage upgrade as soon as we can, of course. I bought a bunch of supplies so I can make her a cage, but she's on the wire, so it's not like she's sitting in her waist or anything. She's so big. I love her. She's the youngest of the does in here right now. I think she's only like 10 weeks, and she's in New Zealand. She's big. So, putting a rush job on her cage. And this is Chai. I don't know if you've met him. This is Rebecca's Angora. I think he's a French Angora, and he's giant, and he's a proven buck. We actually got Blossom, Chai, and London from the same breeder. London is Chai's daughter, and she is 9 months old. Chai is going to be the father of Lucy's babies, because Nightshade was just not up to the task of breeding yet, but Chai did very well. 4 fall off, so we should have babies from her in about a month. Lucy's doing great. Her eye had a little, she had allergies or something, but it's cleared up and the fur's coming back gradually. So that's great. And here's Ash. Sweet girl. This is Harlow's baby from the first litter. We saved her back to breed. She's so pretty. Her fur has a lot of intricacies that you can't really see in this lighting. She has like never-ending nest eye, and we've decided to start taking drastic measures and treat with tetramycin. And so we started that yesterday. She's due for her second dose. We're gonna do it for 5 days, and hopefully it'll be better by then. And then over here, his cage is so dark, so it's always hard to see him. But this is Russ. He's our New Zealand hopeful buck. He's really pretty red color. I don't have much to say about him. He's just about 4 months. We don't have any ladies to try him on yet, but I think him and Harlow have beautiful babies. Right now in here, there's Nightshade right here. And this is Arabella. We're trying to get Nightshade to breed, but I don't know if he's a dud or just still kind of immature, but he does try sometimes, but he's not good at it at all. And then Arabella, we tried putting her with Chai, and she would not cooperate with him at all. She's actually being a little more cooperative for Nightshade, so hopefully they can make some babies. Arabella is related to Russ, both New Zealand's, and so she could throw a lot of fun colors with Nightshade. She's actually, you can't see in this lighting, but she's a gold flecked black. And of course Nightshade is a classic black silver fox. He's so nosy though. These are my two ladies in quarantine. This is Lola and Lainey. And I'm putting their cages together. They're literally right next to me here. I love them. They're beautiful pedigreed silver foxes, and they just really need to get into their new cages, but they need another week or two to finish out quarantine. Lola is very sweet, and Lainey is less sweet. But they're both very beautiful. And this weekend, we're going to be getting a proven buck, and maybe another doe, I haven't decided yet, from a woman over in New Hampshire, so that should pretty nicely round out our rabbitry. Ta-da! Got their new cages set up. These are just more cages, and they have the trays under them. Lola, right here, is in a 30 by 30, and Lainey is in a 24 by 24. And eventually they'll both be in 30 by 30s, but these are just well, Lola's is long term. Lainey's is temporary until I get some built. I've never built them before, so hopefully that goes well. They've never been separate, so hopefully they're okay being next to each other like this. They were next to each other before. Hopefully between these two ladies and Lucy and Nightshade, we'll get some chocolates, because all of them have chocolate in their line. These two ladies' pedigrees are almost entirely chocolate. Nightshade's, I don't remember, one of his, well, he has chocolate in his also. And I know Lucy has chocolate sisters, so we have a high chance of getting chocolate between all of them. But I like the blue and the black anyways, though. Well, there are 9 in here. This is a Dumo 24 by 24 cage. They are about 6 weeks old. They were hatched out February 2nd. It's March 14th today. Tried to sex them so I could pull out any extra roos, and discovered that not all quail are feather sexable, and yeah, so I haven't really decided what to do beyond that. I'm pretty sure the white one is female. That's all I can say for sure. Yeah, so we'll have to reassess. Some of them are significantly smaller than the others. I don't know what the deal is with that. Like, you see this one right there, that one's very small. So I don't know what's up with that.
Hey guys, Gideon cutting in here for a second. Just wanted to show you. It was 40 and partly cloudy yesterday. And now it's, I don't know, in the 20s or 30s. And we're in a nor'easter. So how quickly the weather can change in here in New England. But I just wanted to say hey, and yeah, fun times shoveling all this snow. We only have about maybe 5 inches. It's not that bad. But it's supposed to continue on into tomorrow, so yeah, looking forward to some fun, I guess. Whew. All right, guys, I gotta keep shoveling. Gotta keep shoveling. Thanks so much for watching. We'll keep shoveling. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you later.